A team of the Central Crime Branch officials landed up at Sandalwood actress Ragini Dwivedi's residence this morning. We understand this is in connection with the larger drug network that the police is investigating in Bengaluru and in Karnataka. Let's give you an understanding. We're here right now at her residence where a team of the Central Crime Branch officials arrived this morning, and this comes in fact after developments of how the Narcotics Control Bureau had actually conducted multiple raids and arrests almost about a couple of days back, following which 3 persons were arrested, and the role of one person, Anika, who was arrested, is now said to be under the scanner. We understand she had very close links and aids to multiple actresses and actors in the industry, and this is precisely why now the Central Crime Branch has picked up on the statements of a filmmaker over here in Karnataka, Indrajit Lankesh, and now you have the Central Crime Branch that's probing this, and following which, of course, they've actually arrived here at her residence, carrying out a search. We understand on Thursday she was summoned, but she did not appear for the questioning and sent her advocates instead. Following which they summoned her again on Friday, but you do have the police that's searching her residence right now. Another important development in this entire case is the fact that a person by name Ravi Shankar, who happens to be a close friend of Ragini Dwivedi, was also picked up by the police on Thursday, is what the Joint Commissioner says. So let's also understand that this role of this person Ravi over here is very crucial. He's said to have links with many drug dealers. Not only has he collected drugs from these drug dealers, he's also further gone on to supply it. Now, where was this being supplied is what is under the scanner. Earlier, you had the police officials telling us that this was being supplied at rave parties, mostly to students and to other affluent sections of the society, is also what the NCB has said. Now, let's also remember at this point in time that while these raids are underway at her residence, there are chances that there are going to be more actors who may be summoned by the Central Crime Branch, and not only more actors but possibly some musicians as well, like the Narcotics Control Bureau had said earlier. Also, how far-fetched this entire network is something that really remains to be seen right now, but it is of course going to be an important development over here, noting that these are not just regular drugs that we're looking at, but it's synthetic and non-synthetic drugs as well. A massive seizure of these drugs that had taken place by the Narcotics Control Bureau in Bengaluru just a couple of days back, following which this tip-off, of course, has led to now the Central Crime Branch actually arriving at her residence. Now, also with picking up now another person by name Rahul has been arrested, who might have, of course, some links with actress Sanjana Galrani, another Sandalwood actress in Karnataka, is what we understand. But as far as this entire network is concerned and the role of all of them is concerned over here, that is something that's still under investigation. The Home Minister of Karnataka, Basavaraj Bommai, has assured that all necessary action would be taken in this regard, and nobody, be it anyone from an affluent section of society or a commoner, would be spared with the investigation, and all links would be probed.